आम आदमी पक्षान शुक्रारा बदल केल्ली वेंचणूक प्रचार समिती जाहीर केली. एल्विस कोम्स हांची प्रचार निमंत्रक म्हण जाल्यार सचिव म्हण प्रकाश नायक हांची निवड जाल्या. राहुल मांब्रे खजिनदार पदार आसतले अशी माहिती आम आदमी पक्षाचे फुडारी आशुतोष गुप्ता हांणी दिल्या. आम आदमी पक्षान हे समितीच्या फुडाऱ्यांची नांवां घोशीत केल्यात. RDX गोवातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Restructuring of the organization and restructuring of the campaign committee, and the list is as follows. As you know, the earlier team had Rajshri Nagsekar as a convener of Aam Aadmi Party Goa, Balmiki Nayak as the secretary, and the treasurer Rahul Mambre. They needed compliments for the great job they had done. Balmiki, you know, is contesting elections as a candidate. So let me announce the new team. Restructuring of the organization, the restructuring of the campaign committee. Elvis Gomes will be the convener of the Goa Aam Aadmi Party. Prakash Naik will be the new secretary of Goa Aam Aadmi Party. Rahul Mambre continues to be the treasurer of the Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. Then Rajshri Nagrik, Pankaj Gupta, who has been in charge as well as the chairman of the campaign committee. Pankaj Gupta will remain as in charge of Aam Aadmi Party in Goa. But Rajshri will take over as a new chairperson of the campaign committee. We are also in the process of announcing few more frontal organizations and their office bearers. That will take some more days.